Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about yet another migratory bird. The large-billed leaf warbler. The large-billed leaf warbler is a species of leaf warbler. It was formerly included in the Old World Warbler assemblage. Breeds in high elevation forests across the Himalayas, where it is scarce, to China, where it is more common, winters in dense tropical forests in South India and Sri Lanka. Large leaf warbler with two whitish wing bars, dark greenish-gray upper parts, a long and contrasting white eyebrow, and a robust dark bill. Conspicuous during migration as it passes slowly through varied habitats. Their calls are like locally named Ma Thudu Gas raviya. We have been doing safaris since we were 5 years old. And we have done the most of our safaris with Uncle Ajit to Udawalaba National Park. Whether you do safari in South Africa or in Masai Mara, the number of animals you'll see will depend on the person who's taking you. While most of the drivers are in a race to find mammals, Uncle Ajit sees the smallest little details that we could never see. You are the best.